Google just changed the game again. A new model called Nano Banana Pro was just released, and it has opened up a massive glitch in the passive income market for early adopters. I've spent the last 48 hours stress testing this tool and found 3 fully automated businesses you can build with it today. If you missed the early days of Bitcoin, do not miss this AI wave.
To make these methods work, you need the right setup. I use Higgsfield to run Nano Banana Pro, and here is the reason why. Most platforms limit daily usage. Higgsfield is unlimited 4K generations. This matters for high-volume strategies. They launched a Black Friday deal, 70% off on monthly and yearly plans. This is the lowest cost way to get full access to this level of AI. I added the discounted link in the description. Click it, lock in your access, and let's jump in to method number 1, the Pinterest monetization strategy. The concept is simple. Find high-selling products on Amazon, promote them on Pinterest. When someone buys, you earn a commission. If you are brand new and need help setting up the accounts, I linked a free beginner setup guide below. But right now, let's get to the strategy. Here is the big mistake beginners make. They upload raw Amazon product images. Pinterest treats those like spam and people ignore them. To make money, your pin must sell a feeling, a look, and a result. And this is where Nano Banana Pro changes everything. First, I checked Pinterest trends. Thanksgiving outfit is exploding right now. So I went to Amazon and hunted down 8 high-ticket fashion items: a jacket, top, skirt, shoes, and accessories. I downloaded the images and saved them in a folder. Next, go to Higgsfield and choose Nano Banana Pro. This tool is powerful because it does something other AIs fail at. It takes boring, separate product photos and turns them into one cohesive viral pin. I drag and drop all 8 photos here. First, we create a flat lay. This performs well because it shows the full outfit clearly. I paste the prompt, asking the AI to arrange the clothes neatly and to add the text "Thanksgiving outfit" at the top. Before you click Generate, check your settings. Make sure the model is set to Nano Banana Pro. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 because Pinterest is designed for mobile. Set the resolution to high or 4K so every detail looks clean and professional. Now click Generate. Now watch this. Clean text, professional lighting. This is the type of image Pinterest pushes to millions of people. Most people spend hours in Canva doing this. We did it in seconds. But don't stop there. Let me show you the magazine strategy. This builds trust because people see the outfit on a real model. I asked Nano Banana Pro for a split screen. On the left side, a model wears the full outfit. On the right side, the exact products appear in a clean, flat layout. Look at the consistency. The model is wearing the same skirt and the same jacket. It looks like a page from Vogue. And this isn't just for fashion, it works for anything. Check this out. If you are in the kitchen and home niche, generate a curated essentials list. Look at this result. Clean, organized, and it looks like a high-end shopping guide. If you are in the beauty niche, use the pop-out strategy. I asked for a forced perspective shot where the product looks like it is coming out of the screen. This stops the scroll instantly. And if you are in tech, generate an exploded view of a drone or camera with labeled parts. It looks like a professional engineering breakdown. No matter what you sell, Nano Banana Pro makes your images look expensive, and expensive images get clicks. Now let me show you how to turn this into money. You simply upload the image to Pinterest and use the Tag Products feature. This allows you to add your Amazon links directly to the items in the photo, like the jacket, the shoes, and the dress, so every single item is shoppable. I'm not gonna bore you with the technical step-by-step clicking right now because I have a full free A to Z Pinterest video linked in the description that covers every single detail. But the payoff looks like this. Your pin becomes a clickable storefront. They click, they buy, you get paid. You just saw method 1. Now let's look at method number 2, the digital ebook strategy. While affiliate marketing pays small commissions, this method pays you 100% profit. You create a high-value digital asset once and sell it unlimited times. If you watched my previous ebook guides, you know one thing. Creating an ebook used to be hard. You had to write everything manually. You had to design every page. You had to fight with complex layouts. But now, this process is simple. Nano Banana Pro does the heavy lifting. Let's target the evergreen keto diet niche as an example. Step 1, head to ChatGPT. We need a structure, so I'm asking for 25 unique high-protein keto dinner recipes. Boom. ChatGPT gives us the list. This is our skeleton. Step 2, the cover. This is the most critical asset because it drives the click. I'm going to Higgsfield and asking Nano Banana Pro for a professional flat ebook cover design. I want the title Keto Dinners big and bold with a delicious food photo right in the center. Look at the result. This looks premium. When people see a professional cover, trust increases. And when trust increases, sales increase. Download and save that. Step 3, the table of contents. Do not make a boring list. I'm using a special prompt to create a high-end restaurant menu layout. On the left, a green sidebar. On the right, the recipe list we got from ChatGPT. Hit generate. It looks professional, organized, and appetizing. Nano Banana Pro just did the graphic design work for you. Step 4, the content. Instead of boring text, we generate visual recipe infographics. I paste our first recipe and ask Nano Banana Pro for a detailed step-by-step visual guide with realistic images. Look at the detail. The ingredients are labeled, the steps are visual. This single image conveys more value than 5 pages of text. This is what makes your ebook a premium product.
Now, the workflow is simple, but here is a pro tip for consistency. You don't want 25 different looking pages. So take that first ribeye image we just made and upload it as an image reference. Now simply copy your second recipe name, replace the old title in the prompt, and hit generate. As you can see, the AI keeps the exact same layout, the same fonts, and the same dark background, just with the new food. By the way, if you are getting value from these tips, please smash that like button right now. Now, just repeat this for the rest of the recipes and download them one by one. Once you have all your images, head over to Canva and create a new design. Now, simply drag and drop all your downloaded pages, the cover, the table of contents, and all 25 recipe infographics. Arrange them in the correct order so the book flows logically. Once everything looks perfect, click Share, go to Download, and select PDF Standard. This creates a single high-quality file ready to sell. Boom! You now have a professional 25-day keto transformation guide that is 100% yours. Finally, list your PDF on Gumroad for $9 to $19. If you need help with Gumroad, I have a full tutorial link below. Now let's talk traffic. You need to promote your ebook where people are actively searching for solutions. First, look at Pinterest. Just like this creator, you can create aesthetic pins that link directly to your sales page. Use Nano Banana Pro to generate these visuals exactly like I showed you in Method 1 and post them consistently. This strategy is driving millions of free visitors to their store right now. Or leverage TikTok. Look at how this creator sells a psychology ebook simply by sharing simple stock visuals. You don't need to be an influencer, you just need to let the visuals sell the value. We've covered affiliate marketing, we've covered digital products, but method number 3 is where we build a real physical brand with zero risk. This is the AI print-on-demand strategy. Here's how it works. You create one design. You list it on Etsy. When someone buys a shirt, mug, or poster, a supplier prints it and ships it for you. You never touch the product. The key to fast sales is trends. Right now, the Christmas season is approaching. This is the golden quarter. People spend billions on gifts. But, and listen closely, do not make boring, cheesy red and green clip art designs. Etsy is flooded with that. To win, you need a unique, eye-catching design. I'm prompting for a grumpy Grinch in baggy clothes with the text Xmas mood behind him in big graffiti letters. Hit generate. Look at this. It nailed the style perfectly. This looks like a complex streetwear brand design. The thick outlines, the bubble text, the attitude, it looks like a $50 designer tee. It's funny, it's relatable, and it's exactly what people buy during the holidays. But a flat design file alone doesn't sell on Etsy. You need a lifestyle mockup to show the customer the vibe. So I take that exact Grinch design we just made and drop it back into Higgsfield as a reference. I prompted for a high-end fashion editorial layout. I want the model wearing the white shirt, a blurred close-up in the background for depth, and even a hanging flat lay of the shirt on the side. Plus, I want the text Xmas Collection at the top. And look at this. This is next level. It combined the model, the artistic background layer, the product shot, and the text all in one image. This looks like a listing on a major fashion site. Now the workflow is automated. Connect your Etsy shop to a free provider like Printful or Printify. Upload your design. When a customer buys that Christmas shirt, the provider prints, packs, and ships it. You just keep the profit. By the way, I cover the technical setup in detail in the video linked in the description. Check that out after this.
Those are 3 powerful ways to make money using Nano Banana Pro right now. I hope you found real value in these strategies. I want to know which method you liked best. Comment below. Method 1, 2, or 3. Whichever gets the most comments, I will make a dedicated deep dive video just on that topic. If you want to try Nano Banana Pro, the link is in the description. Go create something amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.